Well, Brian's back is still killing him. He is laying down, taking it easy. So I am heading to Walmart, get some groceries for the week, make sure he has everything for his lunches, and then he needs a new back brace. So I'm gonna go check out Walmart first and then go to Walgreens or CVS or something like that, and hopefully I can find something for him. But you guys get to go with me today. I want these ones right here. So I heart it. This one. So I'm getting stuff for a pot roast. Trying to figure out something that's easy that I can just throw in the crock pot. Well, I just left Walmart. There was a lot of people in Walmart today. It's typical, it's a Sunday. I mean, most people go shopping on Sundays. You would think I would be smarter and I would do everything during the week, but I try to get all of his stuff for lunches and then, you know, at least the meals for the week, because I close all next week, so I won't be getting home until probably 6:30 or 7 every night, so it'll be nice to have something already made. So now I'm on my way to CVS or Walgreens to try to find Brian a different back brace, so hopefully I can find something. I looked at canes and walkers, and you know, that's just, the walkers are pretty expensive and they didn't really have very many canes, so we'll see what CVS or Walgreens has. And then I'll go home and get the roast in the crock pot for dinner tonight, and then hopefully just kind of relax. So I'm here in CVS and I just asked him if they had the second COVID booster for Moderna and the flu shot, and they do. So hopefully sometime next week, or like on Saturday or something, if we don't go to a pumpkin patch, we can come get it, because I really need to get my second booster and the flu shot. But right now I am looking at canes. They have walkers, but they are very expensive. We're talking, you know, 100 bucks, 120 bucks. And even the canes are, you know, I mean, 40 bucks, 29, 30 bucks. But I haven't found like the back braces or anything yet. So, let's see. Oh, they're right here, I think. I don't know. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna look at this and give Brian a call, and we'll see which one we get. I FaceTimed Brian and he told me just to come home and make lunch and get everything in the refrigerator, and then we will look and see if we can find something. But I have a feeling that we're probably gonna have to order a different back brace, like off Amazon or something, which isn't gonna help him today because it'll take 2 or 3 days to get here. So I'm gonna go home, make lunch, probably let the dogs out again, check on Brian, and hopefully just relax for a little bit.
Well, still laying on the couch. Got this heating pad on my back. Still no relief. It's been, what, 3 days? I'm still dying. Can't even walk to the bathroom on my own. I don't know what the hell's wrong with my back, but it hurts. According to Dr. Google, they say it's a muscle strain, which apparently is a tendon tear or a muscle tear. The spasming is the damage to the muscle. But man, it sucks. I don't even know what to do anymore. This thing's on high too. And I'm just kind of cycling it, waiting for it to get hot, letting it be hot for a little bit, and then shedding off for a little while. But laying on this couch is causing pain too, just in general. You know, it's not the most comfortable thing in the world. But I don't really like laying on the bed, so I'm just kind of doing this. But this really sucks.